Hey, Apex Align, can you create pitch deck for me? I really need it immediately, like within an hour. It's super important.
But, I'm on a really tight budget. Is that something you can help with? Okay, no problem. We understand your need for speed and excellence. Let's get started on that pitch deck right away.
Let's create a pitch deck using AI. Let's see how we can create that within few minutes.
Your pitch deck will be ready in no time. We're working with AI tools to ensure it's not just fast, but impactful too. Magic Slides. Magic Slides.app AI tool, creating fast and easy generated content. Just copy the link to the site and start creating engaging visual presentations in minutes. No additional software or design skills are required. The AI tool provides templates and tools to help users customize their presentations quickly and efficiently. Generated presentation easily download in many formats, such as PowerPoint, PDF, JPG. Here it is. Your pitch deck is ready, just in time. Take a look, and let us know if you'd like any adjustments.
Wow, that was fast. It looks amazing, thank you so much.